Okay, I offered the complete gear cluster assembly to the motorcycle, and the motorcycle accepted it. So the gear cluster is in place, bolted down, ready to go. In order to test the shifting, I need to be able to spin the transmission. So I went ahead to the other side of the bike and installed the new 20-tooth front sprocket and the chain to the rear tire, rear wheel. And while I was at it, I set the tension and I aligned the wheel. Yeah, by the way, I'll show you an interesting little tool that you might consider making if you ever have to align your rear wheel. And it's up here. Let's take it down and I'll show you this. It's a wire with a slide on the end of it that lets you measure the offset from a known point, in this case the frame swing arm connector, to the rear wheel, and you can measure to the mark and then take it to the other side and double check the other side, and that will align your front wheel just beautifully. So that way you've got the front wheel, excuse me, the rear wheel aligned and the chain tension set. And now I can spin the rear wheel and turn the transmission, and I'll go to the other side and make sure it's shifting correctly before I close up the transmission final and then put all the stuff back in the primary. So that's where we are. Kind of cool.